we're announcing here at TED, Singularity University.
We are living in the most extraordinary time ever in human history. You have the ability as individuals and as small teams to literally do what only governments and large corporations could have done in decades past.
Ultimately, everything we care about, energy, the environment, health, disease, poverty, all of these areas are going to be transformed by this exponential growth of information technology.
It's very rare you start new universities, and to start one like this, would it work? What happens when you put the most brilliant people in the world together with the most powerful technology? Hopefully, something amazing. We're off and running.
This is our 10th anniversary for Singularity University, and for me, what makes it so important, this is really how we're launching to scale at a global level.
True innovation, revolutionary innovation, is something where it touches everyone.
The good news is that energy is being disrupted.
I built one of the first ever AIs to treat diabetes. It's actually rather shocking because it's a multi-billion-dollar industry and no one had ever done it before.
And how would you leverage these technologies and what could you do to impact the world?
You go anywhere around the world and people are talking about exponential technologies. And I would suggest that really originated with Ray, his book, and this community, what we brought to the world. Because it's powerful, it's important, and we started that.
We are able to solve problems and they make the world go round.
Solve hunger, healthcare, education, water, energy.
Jason Dunn here, live in zero-G airplane with a maiden space experiment.
One of the holy grails is possibly to replace organs with generated organs, essentially 3D printed organs.
So for those that still believe that this is science fiction, I firmly say to you that it is not.
AI is altering the playing field that all of us are playing on.
We sit at the intersection of technology, Fortune 500s, and impact. And when you put an entrepreneur in the middle of that, they can grow and build products that actually change the world.
Creating the future requires diverse voices, and we intentionally bring those diverse voices together. But what unites this community is this shared purpose, this common interest in leveraging exponential technologies to create a better future for everybody.
I'm encouraging you to build the future boldly and to do it responsibly.
Once somebody solves a problem and figures something out, everyone else follows.
The types of things that really change the world are the wild and crazy ideas.
You don't actually need to be particularly creative to see the future. All you need to do is you need to know where to look.
We've grown the community from 40,000 to 170,000.
Go out tonight and make a difference in someone's life.
Let no one tell you you can't do it.